Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheher Bano from final year optometry, the University of Faisalabad. My topic is diabetic retinopathy. Here is the definition of diabetic retinopathy. What is the diabetic retinopathy? It's the eye disease which is caused by the high blood sugar level which damage the blood vessels. Here's the chart of the diabetes which shows that how the retinal neovascularization cause. Here the types of diabetic retinopathy. First one is non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy and the second one is the proliferative diabetic retinopathy. In non-proliferative there is no abnormal growth of blood vessels, while in proliferative diabetic retinopathy blood vessels are the leaky and the jelly-like substances are filled in the area of the center of eye. Here is the sign and the symptoms. First one is the floaters, which is also known as the spots. Then blur vision, fluctuating vision, impaired color vision, dark or empty areas in your vision, and at the end vision loss occur. Here is the treatment of diabetic retinopathy. The most important part of the treatment is to control our diabetes. If we not control our diabetes, then it will increase day by day.
So now here we will discuss about the prevention of diabetes from diet. The main points to prevent diabetes from diet is to adopt a healthy diet and consuming low fat, sugars and salts, and reach your ideal body mass index and maintain a regular workout regime and avoid or quit smoking and limiting alcohol consumption. And regularly monitoring and managing blood sugar levels is the main thing to avoid diabetes and check that your diabetes is controlled or not. Here we will discuss about the treatment of diabetic retinopathy through laser treatment, eye injections and eye surgery. The first one is laser treatment. In laser treatment, we treat the growth of new blood vessels at the back of eye in retina in case of proliferative diabetic retinopathy and to stabilize some cases of maculopathy. And other one is eye injections. This is another option to treat diabetic retinopathy. It is used to treat severe maculopathy that is threatening your sight. And the eye surgery is the third one, which is used to treat or to remove blood or scar tissue from the eye. If laser treatment isn't possible because retinopathy is too advanced. So these three are the treatments of diabetic retinopathy. Thank you.